Hello guys, so we got a little issue over here. I will show. This is a Lenovo laptop and it fall down. So you can see I already tried sticking this hinge came out here over here cracked. To fix permanently this issue we need to change this entire case, but now the case is not in stock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first remove it and trying to connect this cable and make sure the display is okay, and then I'm going to trying to stick this hinge with this body. So let's remove it. As you can see, it's a 1 TB 1 TB capacity and 8 GB RAM, I guess, and it SSD for 215 GB SSD, I guess. Anyway, we can check out inside. So here is Windows logo. Here we have like some screws over here. There is no screws. Some screws are missing. All the corners. We need to remove all the screws first. I'm using this kit to remove it. This is helpful for this type of works. I'm using this kit to remove it. I put the link below if you want to check out and buy it. So let's unscrew it. This SSD over here, and this is hard disk 1 TB. It's mentioned, and SSD. There is battery. The RAM is built-in RAM, so there is no slot over here. You can add extra RAM over here. And this is the motherboard, the cooling fan over here. So this is the CMOS battery of the motherboard, like time and things saved, the power for these times, and the motherboard details to save. Now we can just track the display. Here is the display connector. So there is the connector and the female connector. So we need to connect this display connector over here and just check whether the display is okay or not. So let me connect it first. So I'm going to taking this wire and trying to connect over here. Now I'm not going to disconnect the battery. I do have proper tools I didn't take right now, so I'm just keeping it because I want to connect this and check whether the display is working. So if I disconnect the battery, then I need to reconnect again to check it. So it's actually not a good idea, but I'm trying to do this carefully. Like I just connected. Now I'm just trying to turn on, check whether the display is working or not. So guys, the laptop is working. It's actually not a good idea to do like this is not the thing how to do it, because I'm not doing it safely. So as you can see this, if things goes wrong, your entire laptop will goes like go in trash. Like the we actually connected the display over here, but the screen is not working. I think either the internal there is one connector over the display. Maybe it's broken. I need to check over there also. That is, it's actually working with the like HDMI port. When connecting external display, the laptop is working perfectly. The issue is caused because the like this hinge is damaged, and because of this, when we try to open the all the this air wheel came off, and because the it's get tight, the wire get tight, and it pull from the male connector, sorry, female connector, and the display goes off. So one time I repaired it, fixing the hinge, in sticking the hinge on the cover. So this time also I'm trying to do that same step, because the laptop is like rough use, so we don't and I don't find this cover. If I find it, I will replace it. So anyway, I'm going to remove also this screen, so I can check whether the connector is connected properly on the screen also. So I'm going to do it off camera. Guys, I'm going to give like the I so when I'm trying to remove, I saw this here. Look, the connector actually feel like the wire inside is damaged. Maybe we need to change the connector itself. We don't have any replacement connector, as you can see. It maybe the inside got damaged over this connector. What will happen if the hinges break? Like if suppose this is connected over here, if we try to open it, the entire body and this will get separated, and this cable will pull off from this board. That's what happened, and there is, I feel like this the connector also not in good shape. So we need connector in order to repair it. And also I'm not going to just change the connector, I'm also going to find this case, because this laptop is working very good. It's very smooth, like it's you can use secondary laptops. I'm not going to uh, like uh, drop this laptop. So that's why I'm going to fix it. Like we need a good we need to find this case, and we need to put all the things over that new case, and need to replace this connector. I guess it's got faulty maybe, or may if there is also chance to the connector at the end of the display is like this came off. So anyway, I'm going to end this video. I hope you got I hope you know the inside of this uh, like laptop things. I feel like you saw something over here. Like this is the Wi-Fi adapter. As you can see, the antenna is going through the case, I guess, going over here, and the processor over here, and this like the cooling tube, and the fan, and this is extra adapter, and this is audio system and card reader. And this is what inside of this Lenovo laptop. I put the details of this laptop over the description, so you can check which model is this. So I don't remember the model, so that's the reason. And there is motherboard code. I hope hope this video will helpful to you. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also check out the product links I'm using, like this screwdriver over the below. And thank you, and see you again. Like we can do this replacing video will coming soon. I hope I can find this case, so I can immediately repair this laptop. So thank for watching. Have a nice day.